Hello everyone, today I'd like to do unboxing of this under desk tray management pack. So it requires no drilling, which is great. You just need to make sure that you follow the step and setup instructions just as you see here in the picture. They're very detailed and you should be able to connect this tray. So it has some sticker pads just to make it easier to connect. Toolkit, and these are for the cables. I bought this specifically. As you can see, the cables under my desk really untidy, so I want to make sure that they look nice, and I hope I can easily set it up. So as you can see, everything is in there. These are two hooks that you attach to your desk, under the desk, and that's the tray itself. So I'm going to open each and show you. So that's the tray. The good part is that you can, extend it, or you may keep it just the way it is. It's really easily extendable. You see, it's like has this rail-in system, and it's pretty straightforward. And that's what I like about this tray. So I made some research before purchasing, and I was, excited that this one requires no drilling, right? Just attach it to your desk, under the desk, and then use this to attach it so that it's fixated, and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna test it out. I'll let you know if you like it. Thank you for watching.